So this is Tecno Pop 11 going to perform reset. Going to perform and reset guide. Power button 1 to 2 seconds and volume down. Power button 2, power button 1 2, volume down and down. Press power after log. So power button plus volume up, power button volume up, and select stop both. Now I'm gonna press this power, select the reboot system now. That's all that formatted. Alam mo na diyan kay daw hangping tobril 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 tobril. Alam mo na diyan kay daw hangping tobril وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل. Now that is thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Inshallah.